Compress. Before, I weighed this much. With fat deposits in my chest, my belly, and my arms. Yeah, my arms. So, I decided to work out to lose weight with proper exercise and diet. But, it seems not enough. With all hopes gone of losing the weight I have and having the body I wanted, my friend lose new. Fit and right. Fit and right. With L carnitine and B vitamins for my body to have proper nutrition. From 350, I'm now 170. So, if you want to be fit and sexy like us, flex. Feeling well, looking wow.